Hey guys, let's talk hair serums. I'm a hot mess. I am on steroids for my allergies, but here we go. This is a 15 milliliter bottle. In comparison, a 10 milliliter. 15 milliliters is 1/2 ounce, okay? So we're gonna have 15 droppers of olive oil or jojoba oil. Okay, let's put 10 drops of rosemary. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rosemary makes your hair stronger and it helps with growth as well as lavender. So there's 10 drops of lavender, 10 drops of rosemary. It calls for 10 drops of cedarwood. Cedarwood's not my favorite. I'm gonna put about 8. This is the traditional recipe. For cedarwood, for hair growth. Now, this is where I tweak it. Hanoiki is for hair growth, okay? As well as thyme. So every time that I make my hair growth, I do put rosemary, cedarwood, and lavender. Every other time I trade up the hanoiki. So I'm gonna put 10 drops of hanoiki. I don't know exactly what all this oil does. I bought it specifically for my hair. All right, so in 15 milliliters, you've got maybe 2 milliliters of essential oils. It doesn't matter. You've got 40 drops, right? This is olive oil. I am totally out of jojoba. Jojoba does not, jojoba does not clog your pores, nor does olive oil, okay? Swirl that around, okay? Now this is it, guys. So I don't make this until what am I trying to say? This is not something you have to make monthly. You might make it every 3 or 4 months. So the way that you use this is I put some drops in my hand. I'm counting, I normally don't. That's 7 drops. All right, I'm gonna go straight onto my scalp where I have issues with hair growth, okay? And I'm just massaging. And if I massaged often, I would be doing better. If I did this daily, I would do better. All right, so let me show you. See the baby hairs? That is my hair serum working. Isn't that cool? All right, so again, take that oil and just massage your scalp. All right, you should do this daily. I don't. I do it when I remember, okay? You can do this on your entire scalp. It's probably easier with the mermaid recipe to spritz your entire scalp. And I'll make that recipe next. But this is toxin-free, pure essential oils and olive oil. You cannot do any damage to your scalp, to your brain, to your memory. Nothing. Okay? Isn't that easy?